In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can enable the memory saver feature on your Chromebook device, and this feature is available directly in the Google Chrome browser, which essentially it's going to turn off or will kill certain website tabs on the browser, especially if you're not using it for a period of time. So in order to enable the feature, you have to launch Google Chrome, of course, and after that you want to navigate to the menu. Click settings, and here on the performance section you want to enable memory saver. So you can click memory saver here, and there will be three different options. There's going to be a moderate, balance, and then maximum. Generally speaking, I think balance should work for a lot of people, but if you have a problem with the memory on your Chromebook device, then you might want to enable maximum, although again it means it's going to quickly or easily kill some website tabs that you might be still using, but it's going to do that because it wants to save memory. So I think balance is generally speaking much more recommended. And also on top of that, if you prefer to save power or make the device more efficient, you might want to enable energy saver as well. You can click this and you can enable energy saver, or also known as battery saver. So you can click this and it will make some background activities to be reduced, and the brightness level will also get reduced. And the benefit is that's going to let you use the Chromebook for much longer, because the device now is running on a much more power efficient mode. But then again, this is not something that you want to enable all the time. I think it's only relevant when you really need some extra power or some extra usage of the device. So that's how you can enable the memory saver and to some extent enable battery saver on your Chromebook device. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I wish you a great day ahead. Take care.